Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to explain the SOV resubmission and approval process in SuperConstruct. Once the approver rejects the SOV, the creator will be notified via email, as well as through a pending task and in-app notification. Click on the pending task to navigate to the respective SOV. To understand the reason for rejection, click on the SOV timeline icon available at the top. Here, you can view the comments provided by the approver explaining the reason for rejection. Based on the feedback, make the required changes to the SOV. Once all the updates are completed, click on the Submit button to resubmit the SOV. During submission, enter the SOV name, select the approver, choose the Pay Application Workflow, and click on Submit. The approver will be notified again for review. Now, logging in as the owner or approver, navigate to the SOV by clicking on the pending task. Review the updated SOV, and if everything looks correct, click on Approve. Once approved, the SOV is finalized. Please note, once the SOV is approved, it cannot be modified directly. If any changes are required, they must be made through a change request, which will be covered in the further videos.